Hello and welcome to LearnWire. I've got an interesting software review for you today. Now I'm on this site called prosperative.com, and if at any point you want to check it out or check out the software that I'm going to be showing you, click the link below. I do get a small affiliate commission for it, and it really helps out the channel and helps me to bring more videos like this to you. So I am a gold member here, and you can sign up to a gold membership where you can get access to a bunch of different softwares, or you can actually sign up for just one software that you want to use. Now we're on the Prosperative site, and they have a ton of different softwares that they create that helps affiliate marketers and internet marketers alike to be more successful online and make things faster for them. Now, if you've ever heard of the Best Spinner, this is the software creator for the Best Spinner, known as one of arguably the best. The name implies the best spinner, but it actually is one of the best content spinners that's ever been created over the last 15 years. And they have all kinds of other different tools, Instant Video Wizard. I'm going to be doing reviews on a bunch of these different softwares. They have a keyword tool. They have a lot of SEO related tools. So their real big market is search engine optimization and ranking online and creating content quickly and so forth. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about this software that's been around a long time as well. It's called Instant Article Wizard, and they're constantly upgrading their software. As you can see, the Best Spinner 4, version 4. So they, I believe Instant Article Wizard is on version 4 as well. If you click on that, you can actually come and check out the sales page. There's a video and everything. And then you can check out the pricing down here. It is based on a credits type system. You can get 150 credits for 97 bucks, 300 credits for 127, or you can get 1,000 credits for 297. And so forth. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the software now. We're in the dashboard over here, right? And it'll be able to tell you I have 250 credits right now. And we are going to, what I did was actually I was using some keyword tools and everything, and I just went ahead and went over to Google and typed in how to do affiliate marketing, started taking me down some more keywords, and I went ahead and just landed on this one, how to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a website. Let's see what kind of content we can create with this. So we're going to create a content inside the dashboard. I'm going to push create project. Now we're inside the project menu, and now we can actually just real simply just click on this projects, jobs, or the page right here and just click on it. And now we can create a new job for this. I'm just going to throw in the same one, but then now we have a keyword. So I'm going to actually throw that keyword in there. I'm also going to go in here, affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So something like that, just real easy, and we're going to go ahead and create job just based on those two. We have a really long tail keyword, but then we also have a pretty short tail keyword. So the software should be able to pull in some good stuff. So then now it's processing. So you can see right here, it was queued, and now it's processing. The software is going out right now. You can see in front of us, it's at 69%, and the status bar will change right here to 75% status, right? So it's actually, the software is behind the scenes. The artificial intelligence is going out there and doing a ton of research across the entire internet, and it's going to pull information for us and do all the research for us. And that's why it's called Instant Article Wizard. It does all the research for you, so you can put together all your content, and then you can have some really good, you can create ebooks, you can create really good articles, long form posts. And you can see right here, we have 202 results based on those two keywords. That's plenty to write a long form article or a video, all kinds of stuff we can do. So now we're going to, once the job is complete and status says complete, we can go ahead and click on this black page here, and it's going to open up our project. And then now we have all the information in there. We're going to go ahead and click new article. Once you click new article, so here I will say this, just a little bit of a critique on it. It's a little confusing at first. Trying to get to this point right now where you see on our screen where we're at this point where we actually have a dashboard, we have a content, and we can go in here and start putting together our article. It was a little confusing at first. That was my first time using the software, and so that's actually cool that I was able to make it through till this part pretty easily. I used 2 credits because I had 2 keywords. So each keyword is going to use a credit, and Now we're back on the dashboard here, and so you can basically start, you can put in your title up here, but what it does is it breaks it into different categories like affiliate marketing, affiliate links, affiliate programs, affiliate link, and affiliate program right here. So we have all these different, all this content that it pulled for us, right? And so what you can do here is you can actually, you might have heard mixed information about affiliate links on Pinterest. So this one's going to talk about affiliate links on Pinterest. And so if you want to use that snippet or content in your article, you can go ahead and just click that. You can put a bunch of these together and just go down the list and select, and you can see you're building out your article based on what you're seeing right here, right? You can also click on any link right here and it'll actually take you over to the URL and just push yes if you want to actually go to the site and check out the content as well. If you want to look at affiliate programs possibly right here, then different stuff is going to show up, different content. And then right here, you can add more stuff, right? So we're going to add that. Another thing that you can do is we're going to go ahead and just grab all this and delete it. One other thing you can do in here is you can actually magically create content based on right here, generate article. It went out and generated a 524 word article for us automatically, right? So it went and created an article. You can add an intro in here. We could even use other softwares, artificial intelligence softwares to create the intro, but it's going to go out there and it created this chunk of article for us, right? So a couple different things we can do. So if I take this, we can actually, if you have a Best Spinner account, you can click on the generate spun article. And if you generate the spun article, it actually will go out there and spin the content. So it spins the content for us automatically using the Best Spinner, and it has its own settings in there, right? So then now what you can do is we can take this, and I'm going to go over to Copyscape real quick. I'll log into the premium account here, paste and do a premium search. And so you can see that because we didn't spin it, you actually have results here. So then what you can actually do is you can use the spinner inside of the software right here if you wanted to. And so then now what I did was I actually spun the article, right? We clicked the button. We clicked the spin button. It spun the content. Then we came over to Copyscape and pushed search, and it's not finding any results. So it's pretty cool. But what I recommend doing is going through and actually reading this, because you want to make sure that it's human readable and that it's working well for you, right? But if you don't have access to the Best Spinner, then you may need to use Spin Rewriter, or you may need to use Quillbot. And I use Quillbot. So we can actually take this article, push delete. Now let's just say we ran some more content here that we took snippets of, right? And then we grab this content. We could actually just go over to Quillbot, and then we could paste this and do maybe formal or standard, and we could just paste our content here and then do a paraphrase right here. So then now this software is what my favorite spinner actually is. It's going to go out there and rewrite the content for us. And once it's done, it's very fast. You can actually copy this content, and then I would go over and see if it spun it enough to get a unique article from just Quillbot, and it did. There's no results. So you have a nice readable article now from spinning from Quillbot, right? So there's some really cool things you can do. So if you have this right here, I'm actually going to get rid of that because I don't like how it had that website on there. And we'll just come back over here, affiliate marketing, and maybe add one more right here. So we have 300 words. Now you can also add images. So if we wanted to add an image, affiliate marketing, you can come over here and add an image and just type in affiliate marketing, push search. Is going to go out there and find some different images. I'm just going to click that one, go medium, and insert in the image there. You can also add videos as well. And then you can also go ahead, and what we will do right here is just add our title real quick. So we've got our title in there, and it's automatically going to save. So then now I'm just going to go ahead and close, or actually there's a save button over here. It looks like save article. We have our article saved. I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to refresh. And then now what you can do is you have a bunch of different options that you can do with the research and the article that you just wrote. You can actually come over here and download the article. You can publish this article to your blog. You just select your blog, manage blogs, and publish to blog immediately from here. You can also translate the text into any language right here, which is great. Can be very convenient. You can actually convert all the text into audio automatically for a podcast or anything like that right there. So that's really good too. And then what you can do is this separates this from any other software you're going to see. You can actually create a video based on this. So you can actually just grab and any, like they're going to add Joanna, chunk 5, and you can select different types. I'm going to go just classic. And you can push a preview to see what that looks like right here. And I'm gonna go with just a mixed animations. I like the mixed animations. Default, you can add a watermark, you can add music, and then we're going to say just create video. So it's going to cost some more credits, but then it's going to create this for us. The video has been queued for production. It can take several minutes to an hour or more to complete it's going to depend on how long your video was. If it's 300, 400 word text, it's probably going to take about 10 minutes to render. If it's 1,000 words, it might take up to 30 minutes or so to create it, because it's actually using Instant Video Wizard to go out there and create all of this content for you. But you don't have to go and open up that software and, and then you also, it's going to just take credits from this system, right? So I believe you don't have to be a member of the Instant Video Wizard in order to use this, because it's kind of like a side note. It's using their own video software, and it's just going to charge you a couple credits inside of Instant Article Wizard. So we will just push OK, and it's going to go out there and create this. I will be back when the video is finished and we can take a look at it. Okay, now we're back. The video has been created, and all you have to do is go over here and push the download button, and it's going to download the file for you. And we're going to go and check this out real quick and get a sample of what these videos will look like.
Without a website, hard to stand out. Some affiliate programs have hits. If there's a promotion going on, it can be hard to separate yourself from the other affiliates, so people buy through you and not others.
So the text is animated. It's a really high quality video. It's mostly text in this case because we're not going in and actually finding images. It's just to get a quick video up, right? And it's mostly text based. So it's really nice that you can add in the close to human sounding voiceover. Which is great and pretty easy to listen to. So that's it for Instant Article Wizard, a walkthrough and demo. There's plenty of things that you can do inside of Instant Article Wizard. And if you want to check it out or even sign up and give it a test run yourself, click the link below and you can get access to this software. And then also, if you want to get access to all of these tools in one membership, then you can sign up to what's called the Prosperative Gold Pass membership, and that's what I'm a member of. Then you get monthly credits for all of these tools and special training and everything inside their gold membership. So I'll leave links to both those below, and I hope to see you in our next video. See you next time.